I don't even know how the captain and the dog is gonna fit in here. I'm gonna get stranded on the island. We're on a journey right now to rescue the captain.
Abby's coming in the kayak.
Just a straight screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a gas can.
See ya. If I get swept out or anything, what do I do? Oh, you're gonna send the distress call? Okay.
Abby's on her way. I don't know if you can see her yet, but she's headed straight towards you.
Copy.
She's gonna be paddling, so she can't talk.
There are people on a boat that I can see with a dinghy just floating there. Should I ask them?
That's up to her.
They don't look like pirates.
What's the name of the boat when you see it?
It's this one that's to the left of me right now. Thank you so much, sir. We have a nice guy. Nice guy from a sailboat lowering down his dinghy. He's going to go get Mark at the island on his little dinghy. And now we got to get back to the boat. The wind getting there was horrible. My arms are a little tired, but at least I got the wind coming back. I see him. He just left his boat. Yeah, come back.
I got him moving, I'm coming.
Did you let Hi Ho Silver know?
Is that the guy in the little boat?
Yeah.
Pick up MacGyver. Trolling motor.
I know.
I passed him. I said, I can't stop, buddy. I gotta go on.
We should give him a cupcake tonight or something.
Fucking thing's full of water again, like last year. I couldn't get the filters off. So I made a filter wrench out of my fucking belt. Took the filter off the motor. Then I couldn't get the big filter off. So I made a bigger filter wrench and got the filter off. Kept dumping it out up there. Dumping it out, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up with the ball, dumping out water. Water, water. And he jumped off, then he ran into the sand spurs. I got no shoes, I gotta go in the sand spurs to get them.
There's
It's an adventure.
Yay.
Is it something that can be fixed?
Yeah, just gotta keep draining the tank. Change this water fuel separator. I think I have them in Salty Dog. I dumped the whole water fuel separator out in the water, and it was water. There was no gas on the surface. Like, were you GoProing it the whole time?
yeah. On the emergency mission. Look at his bloody arm.
I want to hand me your shirt. That bloody arm.
Been full the whole time. Where's those pair of pliers you were bringing? Like a pair of channel locks is what I really need. Otherwise, I gotta pull my belt out again. Yeah, those are good. I don't need the rest of it.
None of this?
Mm-mm. Distress mission complete.